Hello and welcome to Retired Desi. Today we are sharing Sanji's recipe for chicken curry. Here are the list of ingredients for today's recipe. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to our channel as it motivates us to continue to document and share our recipes with you. Thank you. This recipe uses 1.5 kilos of chicken that has been skinned and cut into pieces. If you are interested in learning how to prep a whole chicken for a curry recipe, please click on the link on the top right-hand side of this video. We are using an Instant Pot to cook the chicken. This recipe can be made on a stovetop using a cooking pan. Place the cooking insert into the Instant Pot and turn on the sauté function and adjust the heat intensity to more. Add 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add 4 green cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 10 peppercorns and 2 teaspoons of crushed coriander. Sauté till the spices start crackling in the oil. Now add 150 grams of fried brown onions. We buy ready-made browned onions from our Desi store. If you don't have browned onions, you can substitute with 450 grams or 1 pound of thinly sliced onions. You will also need to increase the cooking oil to approximately 8 tablespoons. When the onions start sticking to the pan, add half a cup of water and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, you can substitute with 3 tennis ball sized fresh tomatoes that have been chopped into small pieces. Continue to mix well. Add small amounts of water to keep the onion mixture moist and prevent it from sticking to the pan. When the onion mixture starts to release the cooking oil, add 1 teaspoon each of red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, and 1.5 teaspoons each of paprika and cumin powder. Continue to add small amounts of water to the onion mixture as it dries. The onions will gradually disintegrate and a paste will be created. When the oil rises to the top, add 1.5 kilos of the prepped chicken. The chicken will release moisture as it cooks. Add just enough water to cover the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons each of chopped ginger and garlic and mix well. Place the cover on the Instant Pot and turn and lock the lid. Set the pressure knob to venting. Turn on the poultry function and cook for 15 minutes. Once the cooking process is complete, remove the lid. As you can see, the chicken is simmering in an aromatic reddish-brown gravy. Add 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala and add more salt if required. The chicken curry is now ready to eat. Traditionally, chicken curry is served with rice or roti. If you are on a low-carb diet, try pairing it with cauliflower rice or serve it on a bed of lettuce. We hope you will try this recipe and give us feedback by leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching our video. Till next time.